We are live in the e-kitchen today, y'all. We are doing a DIY blinged out card box. Okay, so the first step is to determine your design concept. So I did a little research on Pinterest and I figured out some ideas, and now that I have what I want, it's time to start the project. So we're going to bling out the top of the box. I do have my glue gun here, some scissors, toothpick, and pretty much that's it. I did purchase some letters so we can spell out her name and some stones. So I'm not going to talk through this whole process because I personally don't like when people talk through the whole video. So I'm going to pop in and out as I feel necessary, but I want you guys to enjoy the process. Okay, so to be perfectly honest with you, this is probably the most difficult part, putting the letters and making sure that they are aligned. So I did this a couple of times. You won't see it in the video, but I did do this probably about 3 times, just to make sure that everything was how I wanted it to look. So you want to start with the middle of the name, and make sure that that's in the middle of the box. So, I mean, this looked pretty good, but I still went back and did it again. And here is the final product. I went in and added 2 stones. Um, so I really enjoyed this process, and hopefully she'll like having her name on the top of her box. Okay, so now that we are finished with the top of the box, I'm thinking about what we're going to do to the bottom. So I do have some tulle and some mesh. I'm probably going to wait for my mom to come in. There she is, to assist me with this part. She really got me started in all of my arts and crafts, her and my grandmother. So I tend to look to her. I come up with the design concept, but then I tend to her to kind of execute it, and then I'll go back and critique what she did. So I don't know how much she likes that, and you'll see that a little bit in this video. It's kind of funny to me. I'm like, that's not right. And so she'll be like, well, you do it. And then so I'll try, and then she'll take it back, and then she'll finish. But I think we are a good team. So it just makes me smile. You can probably hear it in my voice. It makes me smile to actually be able to work with her. But I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. And here is the finished product, y'all. We are trying to fit the top on. I think this came out absolutely amazing. Okay, so we're gonna go in and add a couple of stones on the top, and just see what final touches we need to add here. But I truly enjoyed this process, and I believe that my daughter is going to be so excited to have this box. It's something that she can even put in her room after the fact, after the party is over. It's something that she can keep, put on a shelf. It is so gorgeous. We thank you guys for joining us. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and make sure you guys come back for the next video.